Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. In this video, we will talk about how to build gaming PC on Microsoft Azure Cloud. Friends, for gaming PC, use gaming PC on Azure Cloud in free of cost because Microsoft Azure provides us $200 free credit for 12 months to use this. In $200, we can use to build our gaming PC. First of all, what we have to do, we have to create account in Azure Cloud. If you are a student, then credit card not required. So let's see, friends, how to create gaming PC on Azure Cloud. So friends, you can see this is my Microsoft Azure Cloud dashboard. So here is multiple option. Here you can see multiple option. Create a resource, virtual PC, load balancers, cost management, resource group, subscription, app service, storage account, SQL database. So in this case, I'm going to build gaming PC. So just you can see virtual machine and click on create. Now you can see you are on now we are on dashboard of create a virtual machine. So here is a multiple task: basic, disk, networking, management, advanced. So first of all, we have to go in basic tab. Here in the basic tab, you can see subscription is free trial. You have to give resource group here. In resource group, if you have already created, then it will show here. You have to select it. Otherwise, if you have not created, then click on create new and give the resource group name. Now on the virtual machine name, give the name of your virtual machine. So I am giving name of my virtual machine gaming PC. Okay, now select the region. You have to select your region. My region is Asia Pacific Central India. Now in the image section, we have to select our operating system, on which operating system we have to install. So I am selecting here Windows 10 Pro. Now you have to select size here, what size you want to use. So friends, for gaming PC we have to use high configuration like 32 GB RAM or 16 GB RAM in this. So go to see all size. So now here we have to select 16 GB RAM or 32 GB RAM. For 32 GB RAM we have to go here A series. You can see 32 GB RAM here. You can see 32 GB RAM here. You can use this or you can use this one. I'm going to select 32 GB RAM here for our gaming PC. Now click on select. Now it's loading price. You can see its price is 17,000 per month. In the administrator account, you have to give username of gaming PC. Gaming. Username is gaming. Then provide password here. After provide password, you have to select inbound port. To access from remote PC, you have to select here RDP. You can take remote desktop of this PC from your local PC. So now select here licensing and click on next. Now you are on disk tab. Here you have to select standard HDD premium. So I am going to select here standard HDD because its cost is low comparison to premium HDD. So now no need to do here. Click on next. No need to do anything here. Now in the management, leave it as it is. In the management, you can see there is a auto shutdown option. You have to, if you want to select this option, and you have to give time here on which time your PC will automatically shut down. So you have, if you forget a PC to shut down, then your price will detect here. So you have to make sure when you going to log out, shut down your PC, otherwise your price will detect. Now go to advanced. On the advanced, you have to select here extension to install NVIDIA graphics card. Now click on select an extension to install NVIDIA GPU driver extension. Select here and click on create. Now you can see you have added NVIDIA graphic card driver. Now on the next tab, no need to do anything, just review and create here. Now you can review your, you can see this is your PC price is 23 rupees per hour. It's your PC name, gaming PC, virtual PC name, PC 32 GB memory, gaming, username gaming, and standard HDD. Now click on create. Now deployment is in progress, is deploying the PC, so let it complete it. Now friends, you can see deployment is completed. So now you can access your virtual machine on your PC, on your local PC. Now you can see your gaming PC has been installed here. Now you have to access with RDP. So go to resource. If you want to again see this, go to home, go to virtual machine and click on, you can see this is your virtual PC, gaming PC. So now you can see this is 32 GB and 32 GB RAM, you can see. So now you can see this is your public IP. This is your public IP by which you can access on your local PC with the help of RDP. You can direct access with this IP address on your PC, or you have to click on connect here and click on RDP and download RDP file. In my case, this is my Mac PC. So for Mac PC, we have to access with a Microsoft Remote software. So you can see on your Windows PC, it's an inbuilt feature to access through remote desktop. So let it download. So you can see it's downloaded here. Just click on it to open. Now connecting here. Now type here your username gaming. Now provide password here. Click on continue. Continue. Now you can see you have connected with your virtual gaming PC on Azure portal on Microsoft Azure Cloud. So we're going to access here. Now it's asking to accept privacy setting. Accept it. Now click on yes to connect with your connect with network. Okay. Now friends, go to Internet Explorer. Click here to download Google Chrome. Download here. Click on run. Now it's installing here. Now friends, you can see Google Chrome has been installed here. Now click here to get start. Now you can check speed here. Speed test. What is the speed? Internet speed is too fast here. Check it. You can see internet speed is more than 250. Uploading speed is more than 700. is too fast because it's a cloud of Azure. It's more than 800. You can see very high speed. So what we have to do now, we have to go to click here and check properties here. Now you can see 32 GB memory here. On next video we will see how to install game on this PC, how to set up and install game on this PC. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Make sure one thing, before going to close you have to shut down your PC. Go to virtual machine. You can see this is running status and you have to stop this.